डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको मैंने इसके पहले वीडियो जो भी भेजा है आप लोगों ने देखा होगा। हो सकता है आप उसे अपना नॉलेज बढ़ाए होंगे, अपनी कंसेप्ट को क्लियर किए होंगे। कुछ पॉइंट्स अगर आपको उसमें मिले हैं, कुछ आपकी कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख करके आप हमसे शेयर कर सकते हैं, आपको उनका आंसर मिल जाएगा। कोई भी डाउट्स हो इससे रिलेटेड तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। मैं अब आपको आगे के वीडियो के बारे में बताने से पहले थोड़ा सा बताऊं कि मैंने आपको पहले इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल के बारे में बताया अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में, जिसमें आपको बताया कि चार्ज की प्रॉपर्टी को हम दो चीज़ों से बताते हैं किसी पॉइंट पर, उसके इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और उसके इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल से। मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू को निकाला, उसके बाद फिर आपको मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल के कारण इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल के बारे में बात की। इन दो पॉइंट्स के बताने के बाद मेरे पास एक और है जिसको मैं आपको आगे के शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। इससे साथ में मैंने चैप्टर के काफ़ी पॉइंट्स हमारे वीडियोस में आए हुए हैं। आपको हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना चाहिए और उसमें आपको सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी। सब्जेक्ट के छोटे से कंसेप्ट छोटे छोटे वीडियो मैंने बना के दिए हैं ताकि आपको ज़्यादा जल्दी से समझ में आए और आप उसको देखते हुए आगे अपने आप को क्लियर कर सकें। My dear students, I am just giving you the idea about the electric potential. In my previous video you have watched it, and if you have not till now you can watch it and you can see the video, complete video. You will get the idea about the electric potential. Now electric potential and electric potential due to electric dipole I have discussed earlier. Now I am going to discuss with you electric field and electric potential. You know electric field is a vector quantity and electric potential is a scalar quantity. How both are correlated? Let's see now. Please like and subscribe my channel SM Physics Academy. I made it for you and you just go through it. Let us see electric field and electric potential. We take electric field and electric potential. How both are related? Let's see electric field and electric potential. हम इसको समझाने के लिए कुछ इसमें कंसीडर करते हैं। Let a charge of positive charge is placed at O. We consider another charge, another test charge Q0 at B as according to figure. We want to bring the charge from B to A. There must be a force acting. Their force will act. Let's see please. Force will act. This force will be external. Act against the force acting due to electric field. Due to electric field. अभी तक तो इमेजिनेशन है, फिगर देखिए प्लीज। consider over here, plus q charge lies here. We consider a B point where q0 is there. We consider a point, and this is B. This distance is suppose dr. From O to A, distance is suppose A. When charge is at B, force acting Q0 E in the direction of electric field. Now you want to bring the charge from B to A. Certainly you will do the work against the force. So what will be the work done? Work done will be that dW is equal to F dot dr. You see here, F is acting in this direction and dr is opposite direction. So angle between them is 180 degree. So F dot dr, we write here F dr into cos 180 degree. So we take here F minus F into dr. We know that electric field is equal to F upon Q0. So F is equal to Q0 into E. So we are having dW is equal to minus Q0 into E into dr. We can write dW upon Q0 is equal to minus E into dr. You know that during work that will be dW is equal to VA minus VB. Upon Q0. If VA is equal to V and VB is equal to V minus dV, then dW over Q0 will be V minus dV, and that will be V minus V plus dV, and that is equal to dV. We put it here, dV is equal to minus E into dr. You are getting here from this minus dV by dr. This is the equation. What is the unit of electric field? That is Newton per Coulomb. Unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. From this we are getting another unit. Another unit will be volt per meter. Volt per meter. You can take another example. If you are considering a plate potential is VA, here potential is VB, and the distance between them is D, then E is equal to VA minus VB over D. This way you can calculate the electric field intensity in between the plates also. This is another formula for solving the numericals. I am going to discuss you some more things with this related. You also know that going to discuss with you kinetic energy. This is only the formula calculation. Kinetic energy, how it is? You know, F is equal to mass into acceleration. Here F is QE. You are getting mass into acceleration. Then acceleration is what? QE upon M. If anybody is moving from one point to other point, start moving from one point to other point, what will obtain? V square is equal to U square plus 2as formula. Here let S is equal to X and U is 0, certainly you will start it. So you have V square is equal to 2ax. You put the value of A, 2QE upon M into X. Let's see. E is equal to V upon X. So what the formula here? V square is equal to 2 into E. Here it is. You can write the value. Let's see. QE upon M into X. We write here QE upon M into X. We put the value of V here. E value. Now 2Q upon M V upon X into X. That will be cancelled out. What you are getting? 2QV upon M. Kinetic energy is what? Half mv square. You put this value half into M into 2QV over M. This will be cancelled out. What you are getting? QV. This is the kinetic energy. This is the kinetic energy. Means kinetic energy is QV. Another, that is potential energy. Potential energy. And that is simple. W is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0. Q0 over R is R. We can write here U is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 over R. This will be the potential energy. How it is obtained? Let a charge is here at A, Q, at B, Q0. Due to assembly of this charge, here VA is infinite. You are bringing the VA, you just consider it is at infinity. So this will be VA and VB, just you take and you can solve it. VA over VB is equal to, let V is equal to W over Q0, and then V is equal to what? W is equal to what? V into Q0. And what is V value? 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. You put the value of Q0. What the relation you are getting? 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 Q0 over R. This is only for solving numerical and other repetitive question asked. Then you can write it. It is called electrostatic potential energy. It is called electrostatic potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy. Another topic, potential energy due to electric dipole. Potential energy due to electric dipole. You know, torque is equal to PE sin theta. You also know that dW is equal to tau into d theta. Means if you want to calculate work done from 0 to theta degree, tau into d theta, you just put all this value. 0 to theta PE sin theta d theta. Formula sin theta d theta is equal to sin theta d theta is equal to minus cos theta. We will get here PE and here it is minus cos theta 0 to theta. Then you put here the PE, that will be cos minus cos theta minus cos 0. So you are having PE 1 minus cos theta. This is the work done, or you can say this is the potential energy. This can be written energy P 1 minus cos theta, and you can put the value of cos theta. Theta is equal to 90 degree, then potential energy will be P. Theta is equal to 180 degree, then that will be 2P. So the energy will vary between these 2 points. This is all about your electric potential and potential energy related of this chapter. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share the please like and subscribe my video, my channel, and please again I am requesting to all of you to please click the notification for further, click the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you.